Hi guys, I just ordered this blender like a week ago and I'm super happy because it crushes the ice, it crushes the frozen fruits perfectly. Like I can make smoothies and I can make milkshakes. This is perfect because my previous one broke because I crushed the ice in it and frozen fruit. So this one has a like this.
It appears to be stuck. I cannot get it to leave the base. I have nothing but problems with this blender that I've had just for a few months. I believe I'm outside of the warranty, the 30-day return. This is my second one, by the way. The first one stopped chopping. I like to make smoothies with it.
Hey guys, so this is sturdy, very heavy. Oops. Great spout. Very thick base. It's been already used well enough, over 10 times already. Hot summer blooms.
So one of the reasons I bought this Hamilton Beach blender over some other ones was because some of the reviews said that it would work with mason jars. And I just want to confirm that if you have a standard mason jar of different sizes, it does fit onto the base of this blender, so you can blend up individual little servings.
So this is the blender, Hamilton Beach blender. So far it's okay. The cap does not seal tightly on. It pops up.
Este es mi primer unboxing sobre algún producto que compro en Amazon y compro bastante, pero he notado que casi no hay videos en español, así que aquí les va. Esto es una Hamilton Beach que yo compré en Amazon Warehouse.
Okay, got this blender, nice glass, not too heavy, but really good and sturdy. I love it because it crushes ice. I use this every day because I make smoothies for breakfast. That's what I eat for breakfast, fruit smoothies. So I use this.
I thought you've been... Why you start back up? We talking. You don't even care, do you?
Wow.
Game is named Roblox, Mom. Yeah, do you have a game named Roblox? Mom, do you have a game that is named Roblox?
substitute.
See that?